then always find relation of G. If G becomes n time or 1/nth time, then weight will also become same. So whenever you see weight given, always think of G. First sum, a body weighs 72 Newton. A body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of Earth. So weight on Earth is 72 Newton. What is gravitational force on it due to Earth at height equal to radius of Earth? At height equal to radius of Earth, what is gravitational force? Gravitational force is nothing but weight. So we want weight at height h from the surface of Earth if on the surface weight is 72. So I said if weight given, try to get relation of G. We know G at height is G into capital R upon small r the whole square. So G at height is G into R upon R plus H the whole square. G at height is G into R upon R plus R the whole square. So G at height is G into R upon 2R the whole square. So G at height is G into 1 by 4. So if GH becomes 1/4, we can say weight is becoming 1/4 of G weight at the surface. Weight at surface is given 72. Height is R. 1 plus R plus R 2R. Height कितना दिया है, एक मिनट देख लेता हूँ.
They're saying half the radius, no? Height.
Height, no, I have taken radius. It is half the radius given. H equal to half the radius. This is half. So it will become 3 by 2. Half the radius. 3 by 2 means it will become 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 9 8 are 72. So 32 Newton is the weight. So whenever problem of weight, get relation of G, then G becomes sometimes weight is same time. Right, solution.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. If FG, Fe represents gravitational and electrostatic force, respectively between two electrons situated at distance of 10 centimeter, then ratio of Fg upon Fe is in the order of Fg is gravitational force and Fe is electrostatic force. Gravitational force is G, M, M, because it is between electron. I am writing Me, R square cancel, distance is same. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, charge of electron, R square gets cancelled. This much clear? R square I have not written because it will get cancelled.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Mass of electron 9.1, 10 raised to minus 31. 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Now this 19.1 I can cancel with 9. So we get 6.67 into 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31, minus 62, minus 73 upon 1.6. 1.6 means 2.56 into 10 raised to minus 19 plus 9 is minus 10 minus 19, that is equals to minus 29. So 6.67 upon 2.56, we can also take this as approximately 10 because we are interested in order of magnitude. So 10 into 10 raised to minus 73 plus 29, this will be equals to 6 upon 2.3, so nearly 3 into 10 raised to 29 minus 73 is 44. Minus 44 plus 1 minus 40. 10 raised to minus 20, 43, option C. Ratio is in the order pucha hai, so this digit is not important. We have to only check whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, then order will become 10 raised to minus 43 plus 1. Because it is less than 5, then order is 10 raised to minus 43. Clear?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Next, the value of gravitational acceleration at height h, again important type. Acceleration at height h, so g at height h is 1% of g on the surface. Then what is that height if r is given 6400? Gh means gm by r square. This is 1% means 1 upon 100. Gm upon capital R square. Gm cancel. So R square equals to 100 times capital R square. Therefore R will become 10R. So this is 10 into 6400. R equals to 64,000. We want height. Small r is R plus H equal to 64,000. Therefore H is 64,000 minus 6,400. Or here also you can write R plus H equal to 10R Therefore, H will become 9 times R. Instead of adding, subtracting, ऐसा better है. So H will become 0, 0, 9, 4 are 36, 54, 57. 57,600 kilometers.
Done, sir.
Fourth, apparent weight of body at equator is 0. Then Earth should rotate with what speed? How much? Already I have explained. Apparent weight at equator 0. Then speed is what? 17 times. Hello? In theory we have done this note.
I don't remember.
That means you people are not studying synopsis. Then what is the point in investing 2-3 lecture for theory? For weightlessness, what is omega?
So we haven't done weightlessness. It was left.
Don't tell something which I know. That was weightless in spaceship. This is at equator when Earth starts rotating. Relation of G. When Earth starts rotating about its axis, then what is omega dash in this explanation I had done? What will be omega at weightlessness? On equator, I told, remember? Ashtesha, what mark you got in circular motion? Paper which I had sent?
I have to check it yet.
So this is not the way now. You have to check it, be regular every day. Because after that oscillation I have to send. After oscillation, gravitation I have to send. Then combo paper I have to send. If you are not getting time, you send me, I will correct and tell you what is the mark. On this you are not remembering, you are saying. That means you people have not studied the synopsis. Now read, check in your book whether it is given anywhere. For weightlessness at the equator, what is omega? Just check it. Start of the chapter.
Under root G by R.
How much?
Under root G by R.
Value, say value.
1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 radian per second.
Correct. Then this is how many times greater? That is also derived. Just check. I call this as omega and the other one as omega original. So 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3, 2 pi by time period. Just check. Is it there?
Yes, so 17 times.
17 times. So few things if you remember, we can save the time in the exam. You want me to explain this again how 17 or we can go ahead?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, fifth one. Atmosphere is held to the earth by what? Gravity. Common sense. Gravity. Atmosphere is held by gravity. Fifth ka A. Sixth one. Mass of 1 kg is 1/6. When mass is 1/6, actually it is not mass, it is G because mass is constant. So sometimes they will not be very much precise. It should be understood. Mass becoming 1/6, so weight is actually becoming, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So mass on moon becomes mass on mass of 1 kg on Earth becomes 1/6 on Moon. So mass G on Moon is becoming 1/6 G on Earth. This is the meaning. Radius of the Moon, radius of Moon is 1.738 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Mass of Moon we have to calculate. G on the surface of Moon is G into mass of Moon upon radius of Moon square. This is 1/6 of GE, which is given 9.8. So G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Mass of Moon we have to calculate. This is 1.738 into 10 raised to 6 square equals to 1/6 of 9.8. Does this reminds you anything similar to something? This is like 1.732, no? Close to.
Yes, sir.
So I can write this is
Root 3.
root 3, huh? So that my calculation will be fast. So mass of Moon will become 1/6 into 9.8. Root 3 square is 3 into 10 raised to 12 upon 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. So 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 4.9. Mass of Moon is 4.9 upon 6.67 into 10 raised to 23. Now we'll check the option whether it is 23 format or not. If I remove this decimal so that answer will not come in decimal, this will become 22. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So if you apply some logic, denominators, if I take close to 7, 7 sevens are 49. So our answer will be power 10 raised to 22. Only one place, A is present. 10 raised to 22 is only A.
Yes, sir.
So in this chapter, slightly you have to be logical, strong enough to conclude answer because so many fraction will come. So I just checked the option. I found 22 is at one place, so I didn't calculate it further. Even if you calculate, if you take denominator 7, it will come 7 point something answer. So A is correct. Done?
Yes, sir.
7.
So,
Seventh one. The gravitational force on body of mass 1.5 kg situated at a point is 45 Newton. Find what is gravitational intensity. Last class I did gravitational intensity is force acting per unit mass. Force is 45, mass 1.5 equals to 30 Newton per year. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next is body of mass m is moved to height equal to radius of earth r, then find increase in potential energy. So last class I said if H equals to nr, then potential energy increased is n upon n plus 1 mgr. Are you remembering this?
Yes, sir.
Now H is r, so if H is compared with nr, can I say n is 1? Here nothing is there means
Yes,
1.
sir.
1. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 mgr. So half of mgr. Half mgr option
Done, sir.
9. 2-point masses 100 and 25 are situated 2 meters apart. Two masses 100 kg and 25 kg are separated at distance 2 meters apart. The gravitational potential midway between them. Gravitational potential is minus gm by r. So for first one at midpoint P, it is minus gm upon r1. For second one, minus gm2 upon r2. So V equals to minus g in bracket m1 upon r1 plus m2 upon r. So minus g, m1 is 100, r1 is 1 because this is center, plus m2 is 25 upon m. So minus 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 125. So I can say approximately 7 into 125 10 raised to minus 11. So 7 into 5 is 35, 7 into 2 14 and 3 19, 7 into 1 7. 7 5s are 35, 14 and 3 is 17 and 8. So close to 875 into 10 raised to minus 11. That means we can take close to 8. D.
Done, sir.
Then if radius of planet is 5 into 10 raised to 6, radius of planet 5 into 10 raised to 6, its mean density is 5600 kg per meter cube. Capital G 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 11. Gravitational potential we want. Gravitational potential is minus Gm upon R on the surface. Now M I can write as density into volume. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon R. So this will become R square. Now see, formula based sums we are doing. Not very difficult, but yes, in calculation it's lengthy, so you have to be a bit tricky calculations. So try to use proper logics, or wherever possible try to round off. Minus 11 is this, rho is 5600 into 4 by 3. Now 76 you can cancel by pi, by 7. So I'm writing 22 by 7. And R is 5 into 10 raised to 6 square. 7 8s are 56, 2 zeros. 3 2.2 we can cancel. So minus of 22 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 8 into 10 raised to 2 into 4 into 22 into 25 into 10 raised to 12. Now 25 into 4 is what? 100?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just copy till this, then I'm clearing the upper half and then writing the solution.
Done, sir.
Okay, 1 second, that simplification. We'll check how I am going to do. 22 into 22 is 484, because few squares we can memorize. So this is equals to minus 22 into 22 is 484 into 8 into 10 raised to minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. 24 into 25 into 4 was 100 into 10 raised to 12. So this equals to 484 into 8 into 10 raised to 12 and 2 14, 10 raised to plus 4. ऑप्शन देखते कौन सा फॉर्मेट में है. 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 7. So if you consider this as this, now you can multiply it. 4s are 32, 8 8s are 64 and 367, carry 6, 8 4s are 32 and 6 38 into 10 raised to 4. So this will be minus of 3.872 into 10 raised to 7 joule ka. So which one you can approximate? D? D is the required answer.
Done, sir.
Next, 11th. Gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy of body at a distance r from the center of Earth is U. So at distance r from center, gravitational potential energy is U. What is formula for gravitational potential energy?
Minus GMM by R.
Very good. Minus gmm upon r, perfectly right. What will be its weight at distance capital R of the Earth? Weight is nothing but m and g. So this gm I can write as r square g, so that m into g will become weight. On the surface we want, so mg. If at height, then mgh. Now this becomes r square. Minus indicates downward, so weight is in minus mg if you consider notation r. So weight equals to u r upon capital R square. Therefore B option. Minus indicates directed downward. So mg is directed downward. That means weight means it is mg down. So correct option B. Done.
Yes, sir.
See, problems are not difficult, but there are many formulas in this chapter, and that calculation is lengthy. 12th. Gravitational potential of particle at height h above the surface of Earth. This time we want gravitational potential at height h. So gravitational potential is minus gm upon r plus h at height h. So answer is given in density. So mass, we can write density into volume, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon r plus h. चेक करते हैं ऐसा, -4/3 pi g rho r cube upon r plus h. Where it is present, just check. I think C. 4/3 pi g rho r cube. Yes, C. Done.
Yes, sir.
13th and 14th are theoretical. If piece of work falls vertically on satellite. Now when you say piece of work, means something which is producing displacement. So object is falling from top, it gives displacement to the satellite, hence it is called work. So when the satellite is given vertical shift downward, then it will not continue to rotate in same horizontal circle. That means it will follow spiral path and come to the earth. 13th ka option D, orbiting at or certain circular orbit, something comes and dislocates it. Then it will lose the gravitational attraction properly. तो ऐसा spiral spiral करके नीचे गिर जाता है. 14th, an astronaut orbiting around the earth. Astronaut is orbiting around the earth in circle of orbit 120 kilometer above the surface. Gently drops a ball. See, when we use the word gently, that means no force is applied. Gently drops a ball. So when it drops the ball gently out of the spaceship, it is not given any force. Only force acting is gravitational pull. So it will also keep on orbiting along with the spaceship. So it will move along with the spaceship because it is not given any force, just हाथ से छोड़ दिया. So 14, 15 are 13, 14 were theoretical. 15th, orbital velocity in circular orbit just above the Earth's surface is V0. Then what will be the velocity for the satellite orbiting at altitude, means height, equals to half the radius? What will be the velocity? So we know orbiting velocity is gm by small r. So v1 upon v2 will become r2 by r1. v1 is v0, v2 we have to calculate. R is just above the earth's surface, means capital R, and r2 is r plus half r in root. So v0 upon v2 is 3 by 2r upon r in root. Therefore v2 equals to 2 by 3 in root into v0. Therefore option A. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 16. The velocity of satellite depends upon what? Velocity of satellite, we know it is root of gm by r. This you can write as r square gh upon r. That means v is root of r gh. So it depends upon which quantity. We can see acceleration due to gravity, only no. Radius, only no. Acceleration due to gravity and the radius. So option C. Acceleration due to gravity and radius of the orbit. 17th. Now this is last problem for today. I told I have left two things. One was weightlessness in astronaut and other is communication satellite. A satellite whose time period is same as Earth's rotation and revolves in circular orbit in equatorial plane is called communication satellite. It remains stationary from point on the Earth, therefore it is also called as geostationary satellite, sometimes called as parking satellite. So satellite which is geostationary means communication, means time period 24 hours, is taken to another orbit. Its distance from center of the Earth in new orbit is double that of the earlier orbit. Then what is new time period? Time period of orbiting satellite t square is proportional to r cube. So t1 upon t2 square will be r1 upon r2 cube. Therefore t1 upon t2 square equals to r1 upon 2 times r1 cube. Therefore t1 upon t2 square is equals to 1 upon 8. So t1 upon t2 is 1 upon taking square root of 8. It is 2 root 2. Sorry. Square root of 8, 2 root 2, correct. 2 root 2. So t2 will become 24 into 2 root 2. So 48 root 2. 48 root 2 option. Completed now.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Tomorrow as usual timing, that is 11, 12:30, 12:45 we'll make it. And Sunday Aslesha test on oscillation.
Okay, sir.
So if any doubt is there, you please ask. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Then tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, if possible, I can manage the lecture. Gravitation will get over.
Okay, sir.
So that's all for today. Next week, after completion of this topic, we'll start with new